I'm really excited to apply the lessons learned from the Young Water Diplomats program to my region. I'll go back now to North America where I'll continue my Master's of Science in Water Resource Management, and in the short future I hope to contribute them to my professional career as well.
And we were very impressed today to see the experience of the room for rivers, and in Tajikistan it could be used, of course. Yes, we are a mountainous country with the largest continental glacier in Tajikistan, but in flat areas we could implement these ideas in order to have some innovation in terms of the moving and navigating the rivers.
Well, I think it was very interesting to learn about water diplomacy, and it is definitely necessary to apply all the concepts in Central America or in Latin America in general, because we really need to learn about the challenges in the region and find the solutions so we can have a better sustainable development for our transboundary basins.
The work that I do currently is very affiliated with the region at Blue Peace Middle East. So I would say that this program, the special thing about it is that it gave us a little bit of everything related to the water field. And this is where you can think holistically in solving solution. So now whenever I come to solve a problem in our region, I won't think only from a water side. I wouldn't only think from the political side. No, I know that it is a merged solution. It's something that should cover the social part, the political part, the diplomatic part, and of course the technical parts. So this is the special thing I would say about the program. You get to learn all these aspects and apply them to have more feasible solutions to your region.
So I'm from Pakistan, and the South Asian region is really impacted by water conversations, climate change, infrastructure development, river morphology, and how that's going to impact us in the future. So I'm really excited to use these skills within water diplomacy and the technical knowledge that I've got to contribute to that conversation and to build a lot more connections within South Asia.
For the last 6 months or so, I've been very inspired by the number of students that come to the cohort from different parts of the world. And so the cross-cultural perspective has been what I found most inspirational.
Actually, meeting different colleagues from different nationalities and backgrounds, it has been very enriching, and I really will have that in my heart and in my mind, because I really learned from them.
I would recall the time we had in Nepal during midway in the program. We went there to a place called the Living Mountain Lab. It was a big mountain that was all desert, and in 25 years, they could transform the whole thing into a green big land with a laboratory, where they do experiments, where they try new technologies related to the water fields. So that reminded me of the place of my hometown. It's called Ajloon. It's very similar nature of land, all mountainous. So I was like, if they could do it here, why I can't do it in my own country, in my own hometown? So that was a very inspirational thing.
So I think it was really special to be able to be in a room with so many incredible diplomats from different countries who have different backgrounds and experiences. So I had a lot to learn through every conversation and every question. And the most exciting part was definitely our water negotiation, where we all took positions of different fictional countries, and we got to simulate a real-life negotiation with high stakes, but it ended well.
So I would encourage any young water professional who's interested in challenging or learning more about any pressing water issues around the globe to come and participate and be part of the program in the future.
You definitely have to apply for this program, especially if you want to get more expertise in these topics, or just to strengthen more your knowledge. It's an amazing experience. If you want to learn about water, actually, definitely IHE Delft is the best university to do it.
One of the, let's call it struggles or challenges that we face is that sometimes you don't speak your mind. Sometimes due to a national thing or due to the institution that you work on, you can't speak what you actually think of. So I would say and advice for you is to find yourself this safe space, this group of people that you can always share your thoughts without any obstacle. You just speak directly whatever you think of. You can discuss it with them, negotiate them on it, and challenge them on it without anybody judging. And I would say this cohort did give me this safe space. Like, we are a group of 18 brilliant minds from different countries, from almost every single continent in the world, everybody sharing their thoughts and zero judgment.
If you ever want to get into this space, then you should always do the work of asking the question. Just go up to somebody, ask them about their work, connect with them, because I think the water space and water diplomacy in specific is really built by the people who work in it. So being able to talk to them, have conversations, understand their perspectives is going to make all the difference.